Hello friends, today we are going to discuss RHEL 7, RHCSA and RHCSE part 2. In this video we are going to discuss about system local and keyboard configuration. The system local specify the language setting of system services and user interfaces, and the keyboard layout setting control the layout used on text console and graphical user interface. These settings can be modified made by modifying the /etc/local.config configuration file or by using the control utility. Also you can use the graphical user interface to perform the task. So in this video we are going through following topic: setting the system local. In this topic we will discuss displaying the current status, listing available locals, setting the locals, and then we go for changing the keyboard layout. So we discuss in this topic displaying the current setting, listing available key maps, and setting the key map. So let's start with setting the system local. System wide local setting are stored in /etc/local.config file as we discussed previously, which is read at early boot by the system daemon. The local setting configured in local.config file are inherited by every services or users unless individual program or individual user override them. The basic file format of local.config is newer lines separated list of available arguments. So we check local.config file. So cat/etc local.config, and you can see here its language setting. The further specify local setting is you can use several other options you can see on the screen. You can see here language provide a default value of a system local. LC underscore locate change the behavior of functions which compare string in local alphabet. LC underscore C type change the behavior of a character handling and classification function and the multi-byte character functions. LC underscore numeric describe the way numbers are usually printed with details such as decimal point versus decimal comma. LC underscore time change the display of current time 24-hour versus 12-hour clock. And last one is LC messages determine a local used for diagnostic message written to the standard error output. Now we move to next topic, displaying the current status. The local control command can use to query and change the system local and keyboard layout settings. To show the current setting, use the status option. So local control status and press enter, and you can see here the command lists the currently set local keyboard layout configured for the console and for the X window system. Next is listing available locals. To list all local available for your system, type local control list dash locals, and you can see here different locals available in your system. Imagine you want to select the specific English local, but you are not sure if it is available on your system. So you can check that by listing all English local with following command. So local control list locals, and we grab the output en underscore, and you can see all English locals available on your system. Now we move to next is setting the local. To set the default system local, use the following command as a root. So first of all we need to start root user. So sudo -i and press enter. Type your admin password, and you can see here we logged in as a root. You can also check using whoami command and it will show you. So type local control set local language is equal to your local. So we use en underscore us. and it will set. Now next is default local. For example, if you want to set US English as your default local, first find the name of the local by using list dash locals. Then as a root type the command as follows: local control set local language is equal to English US dot UTF-8 and press enter. Now we move to next topic is changing the keyboard layout. The keyboard layout setting enable the user to control the layout used on the text console and graphical user interface. So start with displaying the current setting. As mentioned before, you can check your current keyboard layout configuration with following command: local control status, and you can see here, and you can also see the default local here. It's our X Windows language. In the following output you can see the keyboard layout configured for the virtual console and for the X Windows system. You can see here both. Now next is listing available key maps. To list all available keyboard layout that can be configured on your system, so type local control list dash key maps, and you can see here different key maps. For example, searching for a particular key map, you can use grep to search the output for the previous command for a specific key map name. These are often multiple key maps compatible with your currently set local. For example, to find the available US keyboard layout, type local control list dash key maps, and we grab the output US, and you can see here. Now next is setting the key map. To set the default keyboard layout for your system, use the following command as a root, and we already logged in as a root, so type local control set key map and type your key map here US, and it will set. Unless the dash dash no dash convert option is passed, the selected setting is also applied to the default keyboard mapping of the X Windows system. After converting it to the closest matching X Windows keyboard mapping, this is also applied in reverse. You can specify both key map with following command as a root. So local control set dash X11 dash key maps and US, and it will set. If you want your X window layout to different from the console layout, use dash dash no dash convert option. With this option, the X11 key map is specified without changing the previous console layout setting. For example, setting the X11 key map separately. Imagine you want to use German keyboard layout in a graphical interface, but for console operations you want to retain the US keyboard. To do so, type as a root following command. So local control dash dash no dash convert set dash X11 dash key map is, and your key map, and it will set. Then you can verify if your setting was successful by checking the current status. So local control status, and you can see here your console key map and your X11 key map. So that's all about system local and keyboard configuration. Please subscribe and give your feedback, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.